Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Gala games, whose current price stands at the $0.02513 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.36%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Gala games chart. So Gala games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement, taking it to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark, in a movement that I'm terming as a higher Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $0.23 mark, in a movement that I'm terming as a higher Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3 before we see a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliott wave structure, so that it can also give us the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I expect to play out, and give you a measure first from the all-time high. From the all-time high, you can see that Gala games is down more than 94%, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the low for that high Elliott wave count 2, and there are also chances that we might have seen the bear market low, but that doesn't mean there is no room for making a new low here on the Gala games chart. Also, given that today we have the FOMC meetings later in the day, and if there is a negative impact on the market, there are chances of making a new low here on the Gala games chart, and we need to be prepared for that. And sketching out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. To give you my long-term scenario, I can use the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $1.36 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do, and that is my long-term scenario that I expect to play out in the next bull market. And once Gala games is able to find a recovery in the next bull market. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see that after making our low, we have been seeing a very nice consolidation over here, and within this consolidation we have a channel that is in formation, and I can draw it out by connecting these lows like that. Then we have also the upper part, and we can extend the channel to begin from that point, and this channel is an ascending channel. And initially in my previous videos I was terming it as an ABCDE channel, having that as the wave A, then a wave B, then a wave C, then a wave D, then the wave E was right here, and I was expecting a breakout to the opposite side of the wave E, but you can see the breakout did not happen, and that is after losing the 20-day MA. And after losing the 20-day MA, we continued pushing even lower, and we have now seen a breakout out of the channel to the lower side. And because it has invalidated this ABCDE channel, I can now remove the ABCD structure and remain with the channel, and that is what I want to base my short-term scenarios on. And after seeing the breakout out of the channel, you can see we have seen a retest of the lower side of the channel, and what I expect next after seeing a retest is continued lower prices here on the Gala games chart, and that is in case we lose the 20-day MA also. At the moment you can see we have managed to break above the 20-day MA, meaning it's acting as support at the moment, and in case we continue pushing even higher, get back into the channel, there are chances of continuing to push even higher, get back to the upper side of the channel, and maybe manage to break out of the channel to the upper side and continue pushing even higher. But for now we need to be prepared for a further downside in case there is a negative impact after the FOMC meetings, and in case we also lose the 20-day MA, and also after seeing the retest of this channel over here, there are chances of continuing to push even lower, and that would mean a new low here on the Gala games chart, and we need to be prepared for that. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upside and also to the lower side. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices are coming our way. You can also see that we have an increase in the buying momentum here on the MACD, meaning there are chances of continuing to push even higher, get back into the channel, and continue pushing even higher here on the Gala games chart. So that's the update, and I'll keep you updated on any movements that plays out.